case study tracing a missing robotics engineer Ulm client background. A UK-based robotics company contacted Bond Rees to trace a missing robotics engineer who had travelled to Ulm, Germany, to oversee the final testing phase of an advanced robotic system for a manufacturing client. Ulm, known for its thriving technology and engineering sectors, is a key location for innovation in robotics and automation. The engineer was responsible for ensuring that the robotic system integrated smoothly into the client's production line. When the engineer missed critical project meetings and failed to respond to communications, the company grew concerned about both the individual's safety and the project's timeline. The investigation, Bond Rees, gathered all relevant details regarding the engineer's recent activities, communications, and accommodations. The engineer had been staying near the Science Park, an area known for its concentration of tech companies and research institutions. The last known communication was a phone call confirming the engineer's attendance at a robotics testing session at a factory located in the Böfingen district, a well-established area for industrial manufacturing. Digital footprint and local contacts. Our digital forensics team analysed the engineer's phone records, GPS data, and recent transactions. The last known GPS signal placed the engineer at the testing facility in Böfingen, but after that, no further communication was recorded. Bond Rees contacted the factory staff, local contractors, and hotel employees to gather additional information. Witnesses confirmed that the engineer had attended the testing session but did not return to their hotel or attend any follow-up meetings. On the ground investigation in Ulm, Bond Rees dispatched local investigators to Ulm, focusing on the Böfingen district, the factory, and key transportation routes in the city. Investigators reviewed CCTV footage from the testing facility and surrounding areas to trace the engineer's movements. After following several leads, our team discovered that the engineer had stayed late at the factory to troubleshoot a problem with the robotic system. Further investigation revealed that the engineer had suffered a medical emergency due to exhaustion after working long hours. The engineer collapsed at the factory and was taken to a local hospital, but delays in communication and misplaced identification prevented the hospital from notifying the company. Outcome: Bond Rees quickly located the robotics engineer and confirmed their condition, providing this crucial information to the robotics company in London. After receiving medical treatment and rest, the engineer was able to recover and resume work, ensuring that the final testing phase of the robotic system proceeded with minimal disruption. Why Bond Rees? This case highlighted Bond Rees's expertise in managing investigations in high-tech sectors like robotics and automation. By combining advanced digital forensics, local knowledge of the technology industry, and efficient on-the-ground search efforts, Bond Rees ensured the swift recovery of the missing engineer, allowing the project in Ulm to continue without major delays.